How do you know if you were in an accident with a commercial motor vehicle? This is injury attorney Rusty Messer with Big River Trial Attorneys in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. That's what we're going to talk about today. First off, why does it matter? Well, one reason is because the injuries are usually more serious, just based on the size of the vehicles. In 2020 alone, there were nearly 5,000 deaths in accidents involving commercial motor vehicles. Another reason it matters is because the amount of insurance involved. If a vehicle has a U.S. Department of Transportation number, or if it has a federal motor carrier number, it's required to carry at least $750,000 worth of insurance and possibly up to $5 million worth of insurance. So what is a commercial motor vehicle? It has to weigh more than 10,000 pounds, has to be used in commerce. It also applies to any vehicle that's carrying hazardous materials. If it needs a placard, that's a commercial motor vehicle. Any vehicle carrying 8 passengers or more for compensation, or 15 passengers or more regardless of compensation. Those are all commercial motor vehicles. So let's talk about the weight of the vehicle involved. The average semi-truck weighs somewhere between 10 and 27,000 pounds when it's unloaded. The average semi-truck loaded can weigh up to 85,000 pounds. The average dump truck weighs 27,000 pounds. Now, there are some other vehicles that this applies to that you may not think about. There are lots of pickup trucks, the Ford F-350. There are lots of larger SUVs that weigh in excess of 10,000 pounds. If these are being used for a commercial purpose, this is a commercial motor vehicle and is subject to the insurance requirements and other regulations that apply. So let's talk about some of the different regulations that apply to commercial motor vehicles. 36 states require commercial motor vehicles to have a U.S. Department of Transportation number, even if those vehicles do not cross state lines. Louisiana is one of those states. And the significance of that, once a vehicle has to have a U.S. DOT number, it has different record-keeping requirements. It has to keep different maintenance records. It has to keep different records on the qualifications of the drivers. It has to keep different records about the inspection and repairs to the vehicles. All of those things can factor into your case. Another example is the International Registration Plan. It primarily applies to vehicles that travel from the U.S. to Canada, but lots of companies comply with it. And if a company is registered and complying with the IRP, they have to keep GPS data. They have to keep fuel records. They have to keep odometer readings. They have to keep information about their routes of travel. If you have been in an accident with a commercial motor vehicle, or if you think you've been in an accident with a commercial motor vehicle and you want to find out, you should speak with an experienced attorney, an attorney who has handled commercial motor vehicle accident cases before. Pick up the phone, give us a call, schedule your no-cost and confidential consultation. We only get paid if you get paid, and we are here to fight for you.